What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy VonSquad back at it again. You see with the, you already know we're recording a video today and it's going down. So you see by the title of this video. Yeah, this has been a long awaited video, but finally got a little time, so we're gonna get straight into it. So alright guys, today, by the title of the video, we're gonna do some exhaust sounds of the MRT axle bag V2 system. So we'll see how it sounds, you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. But right now, what we're going to do is we're going to get our GoPro started. This is my first time ever doing an exhaust clip video. So I meant to do one on my last Mustang. Well, all I did was go in like a parking garage or whatever. But GoPro is mounted here. You guys can see. Hopefully, it picks up enough sound. I didn't want to, because all I got is 3M right now. And set up a suction cup. And I did not want to stick it on the car itself. So I stuck it on the emblem and I wrapped it, so if anything, it'll just take the wrap off and I just rewrap it or whatever. Everything goes, so please don't judge me if the sound cutting out and all that stuff. But we're gonna turn our GoPro on here. Make sure it's in the right format in the video. Is it? I believe so. Alright you guys, we are recording now on the GoPro, so let's see how she sounds. I did start it up early after I finished washing it. I know you guys can tell it's clean, but I know it's supposed to rain or whatever. Hopefully not today, but so this is probably a warm start, you guys. Here it goes. That's how it looks. I am going to get it adjusted, if you guys can tell, just a little bit. That exhaust needs to be over just a little tad bit. Let me know if I'm just tripping or am I right. Just go over just a tad bit more. I already set up an appointment and everything with him. And yeah, don't mind the GoPro, it's a little crooked. But hey guys, there she looks. And this is idle. Sounds very quiet. Very quiet at idle. A little grumble too. Alright you guys, let's get into it. Alright you guys, first we're going to just cruise. I actually want to take some photos somewhere real quick. Oh, let me close the garage. I'm tripping, y'all. Hold on. Almost left the garage open. Can't be doing nah. I do wish we can get like more turbo noises out here. You can get like a nice little turbo floater with upgraded charge pipes. But those things are expensive, man. Cost about the same price as down pipes. And they don't really give you that much power increase. So I really can't justify it. Just more sound. See, as you guys can tell, like, you can hear me loud and clear. It's really quiet in the cabin. Very quiet in the cabin. That's one of the things I like most about the system. And I go to a little area too where we can actually get on it, because none of these areas I'm driving in right now, we can't really do any hits for real. Because most of the streets is 25 and cops be around here, and your boy not trying to get a ticket for no vlog. I'm sorry, bro. It'd be a nice content video, but however, I ain't trying to pay for that. You feel me? We ain't making big money like these YouTubers, these other YouTubers. So until then we can start doing stuff like that. But as of right now, nah, we just gonna be chilling out. We just gonna chill out. But as you guys notice, in the cabin is really quiet. Just moseying along, 25, you know. I don't know if you guys can, yeah, you guys can see the tech a little bit. I might pull up the tech so you guys can see like different RPMs, how to sound and stuff. This thing pulls, bro. This thing pulls. All the stuff I got done to it, this thing is very quick, you guys. Very quick. Like I said, it's the fastest thing in the world, but this, for what it is, a Ford, man, especially a Fusion, this thing is nice. Mr. Amazon, bro, what are you doing on my side of the street, big fella? What, sir? Excuse me, sir? Sir! Excuse me, sir? What are you doing on my side of the street? Come on now, bruh. And this video is not sponsored by you. Get off the road. These are like some back streets. What? I got Santa Claus stuff hanging up. What type of weird stuff is this? What the hell is going on? Oh, we do have like a little bridge here. Ooh, this could make for some nice pictures, but people, it's a lot of people. There'll be a lot of traffic over here. We have a little bridge. I don't think it's gonna be much though, because it's very tiny. It's a nice scenic area. See, every now and then I like to just get out and just go for a ride, and then find little areas I can take photos at that's not too busy with traffic. I can pull over there. Ooh, the twisties. The twisties. Ooh. Come on, light, man. This feel like the longest light ever in life, bro. There we go. I'm just cruising through a town, you know. Take some photos right there if I do a little loop around. Oh, they got some nice little areas out here. Nice little CVS right there. Auto parts store. What? I had to go in there one day, see what's all in there. Yeah, but we are gonna turn around and park over there so we can get a couple photos real quick. Nice. Well, that's a nice little area right there, but I like that's a part of the house. I ain't about to do that. No, sir. We're gonna turn around real quick and get a couple photos down there, and then we're gonna head to the parking garage, and then that'll be it for this. Is not gonna be a very long video, you guys. Not be a long video at all. Just wanna give you guys a little bit of content. I really hope it is picking up some nice sounds back there. Like I said, I never have done any of these like drive around exhaust videos before, so hopefully it's doing well. It's still hanging out back there. We're gonna do a little brief check once we get out here to grab some photos. I say we do it like right over there. grab some quick little shots real quick. Like a little city, little vibe. Not gonna be here long. I'm gonna park right here and grab a little city shots, you know. Alright, you guys, now we're gonna head out. I got some good shots, I think. So, we're gonna head out now. Nice little scenic area, though. And I've seen some other places that I won't actually want to get some shots at. Now we're actually going to hit the freeway. So hopefully the GoPro stays on. If not, I'm going to be pissed. So we'll see you guys. I'll meet you guys up when I get to the freeway though. Corvette trying to show out. Look at this, y'all. Y'all not even gonna believe this. I had to stop the video for this. This is a whole Camaro limo, y'all. What in the hell is going on? Bro, we done seen some crazy stuff today, bro. Hold on, y'all. Let me turn my stabilizer on real quick. It's, bro, it's a whole Camaro limo. We about to go do like a little loop, so you about to see. This is wild, bro. What? Oh man, my whatchamacallit all off. I'm gonna have to just hold the camera, you guys, because the stabilizer is tripping. Stabilizer was tripping. I gotta resync it, I guess. But look at this, y'all. I hope this GoPro stay on, man. But look at this. It's a Camaro limo, y'all. What in the world is this? It's a whole Camaro limo, y'all. Look at that. What is that? Let me know if y'all seen that before. What? Bro, you just never know what you're gonna see on the freeway, bro. I swear you don't. But let's get a couple of downshifts real quick for the camera and do a quick little pull. Some little downshifts real quick. That was a quick little pull for y'all. Get y'all a little content in there. Speeds too. Just cruising at 70. About 2,800 RPMs on the freeway. Not a lot of cabin noise at all. The sportier models. Look, I got a whole little diffuser and stuff on it. That's a big difference. Nice little gladiator right here. My camera focus for you guys. Nice little CLA. Banana boat. They do like banana though, especially with the taillights and stuff. Like a straight up banana. Yeah, I think it'd be a perfect exhaust for if you like just you want a quiet exhaust, but you do want to hear the car more. This is one of those exhausts. They had the V1 version. That's like more. It'd be way louder because it's just basically a straight pipe pretty much. And I wasn't trying to have all that because I do still drive this car. Like we'll be going on trips and stuff, and we recently took like a 3 to 4 hour trip, and had no complaints. Wasn't too much drone or nothing in the cabin, as you guys can tell. I really hope the GoPro is picking up some good sound for you guys and stuff. But yeah, it was super not loud at all, just enough noise so you guys can hear it instead of just hearing all the little when you're getting on the gas and hearing the fake engine noises and stuff. So if you guys looking for that, this is the perfect exhaust for it. Let's see if I can get another pull in real quick. Oh my gosh, it's just hella traffic, man. It's usually not this much traffic. Quick little pull right here. Bruh, get out the way, man. We trying to get some content, bruh. Stupid lady. We trying to get content. Oh my gosh, man. People just messing up my footage, bruh. Hell wrong with dog. Woo. And then when you get on it, you could definitely hear some stuff. So, another good part about it. Well, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I really love the exhaust, so I love it, you guys. I'm not saying that just because I'm sponsored by him or whatever, but I truly love this exhaust. One of the reasons I actually chose this exhaust, because it's quiet, and like, look, idle right now. Quiet, chilling, you know, just like stock. But when you get on it, you hear it. Just chilling. And like around 50, get like a little drone, but other than that, nothing too major, you know. If you want to, like most of the time, I got my tunes up and stuff jamming, so every time I don't even really notice it. But alright, you guys, let me know what you thought of the video. Let me know what you think about the exhaust. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you guys love it too. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hit you with the next video. Deuces. And look, we got a marquee. We got a marquee right here. Alright, you guys, so let me check out this marquee and check on the GoPro. Oh, the GoPro's still up. Is it still recording? No, I think the GoPro died. No. Well, you guys, there it goes. Oh wait, guys, you got to see some driving sound clips and everything. But alright, you guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.